I chose Penn for a number of reasons. I was actually very excited about all of the interdisciplinary opportunities. I worked at a social service agency before coming to law school, and I knew that I wanted to work with children when I came in. And I saw the interdisciplinary child advocacy clinic. I saw opportunities to do dual degrees, and I was really excited about all of those opportunities because I really don't think anybody can advocate for kids on their own. I think it takes a team effort. Right now I'm taking one of the intro classes at the Center for Neuroscience and Society, which is really helpful for me because I have no background in science whatsoever, so these intro classes are great to sort of give me a foundation. And we're doing everything from basic brain biology to the development of the brain, to how we interact with people, to where our fear centers are and where our emotional responses to different experiences might come from, how the brain is supposed to work together in an ideal world, and then how it can sort of go off kilter. There's a lot of different things that are covered in just this basic neuroscience class, which I'm finding really helpful, and I've even been able to use some of it in my other classes here. For example, in my juvenile justice seminar, we talked about trauma, and I did a presentation on how trauma impacts the brain and pulled a lot from the things that I've learned in this class. So I decided to pursue the Certificate in Social, Cognitive, and Affective Neuroscience, or SCAN, because I'm interested in pursuing a career in law that involves working with kids, either through child welfare, which is when there's abuse and neglect cases and the child's involved in the dependency system, or through juvenile delinquency defense. And a lot of that field has had, there's a new movements in both of those fields to include a lot more about child development and the impact of different adverse experiences on the brains and the brain's normal functionings. So I wanted to understand a little bit more about how that actually works and how the brain is supposed to function, so I could make arguments and have a better understanding of how the brain may not be functioning the way it's supposed to be for some of the kids that I might represent in the future.